Hello, my name is Craig Smith. I'm 43 years old, truck driver living in the western suburbs of Melbourne. I currently have 20 plus years of HC experience driving both here in Australia and in New Zealand. Driven from tankers, water tankers, tipper trucks, side loaders, refrigerator containers, wide loads, low loaders, and taut liners. And also have road ranger experience, synchro, auto, splitter, and synchro mesh. Gearboxes, driven most types of trucks. I'm currently driving for Cameron's OI Glass, and it's just karting local. I'm looking for afternoon to evening work, but suitable for day shift or whatever's available at the moment. And mainly in the western suburbs. If you can get that back to me, that'd be awesome. Cheers, thanks.